Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this new tutorial I will show you another creative way to upcycle old t-shirts, creating a new fashionable garment. The main materials I will need are 2 old t-shirts, wool or cotton yarn and crochet needles. One is thinner to make the beginning of the crochet. I already have the size of one t-shirt from a previous project, and this other t-shirt for the central piece. I prepared the second t-shirt to cut the central part. I mark on the shoulders the point from where I want to make the cuts. With the help of the ruler, I trace a perpendicular line to the hem and then I will cut through it. Following this, I cut the other side of the T. I unstitch the hems on both sides of the pieces. This is to level a bit more the pieces so the side step is not so big. I fold 1 centimeter and I make a basting stitch alongside all the pieces' edges. For my crochet, I will use the following stitches: blanket stitch, single crochet, double stitch, and chain stitch. This week I'm posting some IGTV videos on my Instagram to show how to make all these basic stitches. With the thinner crochet needle, I start making a blanket stitch to all the pieces' edges. If the jersey fabric is too thick, I can previously make some holes with a needle so the blanket stitch crochet becomes easier. Right after and changing to the thicker needle, I crochet a row in double stitch plus chain stitch on all of my pieces. In one of the sides of the central panel, I crochet a row of single crochet in contrast yellow color. I continue crocheting rows of single crochet or double crochet plus chain stitch, playing with colors till I have a band on each side of approximately 3 centimeters. Once the crochet bands had been made, I finished all the spare threads with a chunky sewing needle. Before I join all the pieces, I align them and hold them with pins. I'm leaving 2 front splits at the front body of about 28 centimeters. With the crochet yarns, I start joining the bands at the reverse side of the fabric. I remove the basting stitch and my new t-shirt is ready for the final ironing.